Hey everyone, so we are going to simplify this equation, square root of 2 minus 1 power of 10. So first, we are going to start by let, okay? Let x equal to square root of 2 minus 1, okay? So x will be equal to square root of 2 minus 1 power 10. So which means this x also is powered by 10. Okay, so we are going to find the value of this x power 10. Okay, so but first, x plus 1 is equal to square root of 2. Okay, so we are powering both sides to remove this square root. Okay, so we will have square root of 2 squared and then square root of all square of x plus 1. Okay, so these two will cancel this square root. Okay, so then we have x plus 1 squared equal to 2. Okay, then how x plus 1 squared is first. Now x plus 1 squared times x plus 1, it will be this x times this one, it will be x squared, x times this one plus x, 1 plus times x, it x, so here we have plus. Okay, then 1 times 1, which is 1. Okay, so we have x squared plus this x and this one, which is 2x, then plus this one, then it's equal to this 2. Okay, then we are going to move this one to this side. Okay, then we'll have x squared plus 2x, which is 2 negative 1. Okay, then x squared plus 2x is equal to 1. Then x squared will be equal to 1 minus 2x. So in terms of x squared is equal to 1 minus 2x. So this is the value of x squared. Okay, then remember we are determining the value of this x power 10. Okay, we are try to get to x powered 10. Okay, so we are going to power both sides. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, because we are working to get this x power 10. Okay, so we'll have x squared square, which is 1 minus 2x. Okay, so then we will have this squared. Okay, there's this one, this form here, we have this one here. This is a, this is b. When we have a minus b squared, we'll get a squared plus 2ab minus, no, yeah, it is minus, then plus b squared. Okay, then this formula is what we are used here. Okay, then this one, it is the same as this one. Okay, and this one gives us this, and this gives us this, and this gives us this. Okay, so we are at here now, so we'll have x power 4, this 2 times this, which is 1 minus 4x then plus 2x squared. Okay, so we are going to replace the value of x. X squared is equal to 1 minus 2x. Okay, then we are going to replace the value of x. Then we will have here we will have 1 minus 4x plus here we have 4. Okay, here we have 4, and then x squared is equal to this one. So we're going to replace this x squared here. Okay, so we have x power 4, which is 1 minus 4x plus 4 times 1 minus 2x. Okay, then x power 4 will be equal to 1 minus 4x plus this times this one, it's 4. 4 times 2, it's negative 8x. Okay, so here we have x power 4, which is 1 negative 4 negative 8 is negative 12x, then plus 4. Okay, so x power 4 will be equal to this one plus 5, which is this one plus 4, which is 5. I will have 5 minus 12x. Okay, then x power 4 is equal to 5 minus 12x. And remember, we are working on x, so that we have to get this x power 10. Okay, so let's move on. We are going to power both sides. This will be squared and this will be squared. So here we'll have x power 8, then here we'll have, so here we got x power 8 from here. Okay, then here we have 5 minus 12x squared. Okay, so here we'll have 5 minus 12x times 5 minus 12x. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so here we will have x power 8, which is 5 minus 12x times 5 minus 12x. Okay, so let's multiply this and this. Okay, so we have 5 minus 12x times 5 minus 12x. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 12 it's 60. Okay, minus 60x. 12 times 5 it's minus 60x. 12 times negative 12 it's positive 144x squared, because this is x and this is x, so that it's going to be x squared. Okay, then here we have to sum up these numbers. Okay, so we will have 25 minus 120. Okay, x, then plus 144x squared. Okay, so x power 8 will be equal to 25 minus 120 plus 144x squared. Okay, then remember x squared is equal to 1 minus 2x. Okay, then we're going to replace the value of x. Okay, so we have x power 8, which is 25, minus 120 x. Okay, then plus 144 times this value of x squared. Okay, 1 minus 2x. Okay, then x power 8 will be equal to 25 minus 120 plus this one times this one is 144. Okay, this one times this one, it will be, here it is 8, then it is 8, then here it is 2, minus 288x. Okay, so we're going to add this and this one, because this has x and this has x. Okay, so x power 8 will be equal to 25 minus this one plus this one. There we have 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, which is 0 will remain 1. Then 2 plus 1 is 3, plus that 1 remain, which is 4. Okay, x, then plus 1, 4, 4. Okay, this one plus this one, it will be 169. Okay, so x squared will be equal to this plus this one, it is 169 minus 408x. Okay, so here we have x power 8. Okay, x power 8. Okay, then x power 8 will be equal to 169 minus 408x. Okay, so remember we are working on this to try to get this x power 10. Okay, so we are going to multiply x squared on both sides. So x squared times x power 8 will be equal to 169 minus 408x. Okay, times x squared. Remember, x squared equal to 1 minus 2x. Okay, so here we will multiply. Here we will multiply 1 minus 2x. Okay, then x power 2 times x power 8. So we have the formula, which is a power x times a power y. So we sum up this power because a and a, they are similar. Okay, so we'll have a power x plus y. So this is what we're going to do here. Okay, we'll have x power 2 plus 10, which is 10, and it will be equal to this one times this one. We'll have this times this. Okay, which is 169. Okay, then this one times this one, it will be negative 408x. Okay, then minus again this one times this one, which is 338. Okay, x, this one x here. Okay, then plus this one, this negative times this negative, it is positive. Okay, then 408 times 2, it will be 816 x squared. Okay, this x is multiplied by this one, that's why here we got x squared. Okay, So we are going to sum this and this, because here we have x and here we have x. Here we have negative, here we have negative. So x power 10 will be equal to 169, okay, minus 746x, okay. When you take this plus this one, you get this one, okay. Then plus 816x squared, okay. Then here, remember, we have x squared, which is 1, x squared, which is equal to 1 minus 2x. Okay, so we're going to replace this value of x squared here. Okay, so x squared will be equal to 169 minus 46x, okay, plus 816 times 1 minus 2x, okay. So this is the value of x squared. But here we have 10, okay, x power 10, okay. So here we replace the value of x squared, which is this one, okay, and x squared is equal to this one, okay. So let's move on. Here we have 10 x power 10, which is 169 minus 746x, then plus this one times this one, it is 816, okay. 816 times 2, here we have negative, 1632x, okay. Then remember, the value of x is equal to square root of 2 minus 1, but before we have to sum up this and this one and this and this one, because here we have x and here we have x, okay. So x power 10 will be equal to this one plus this one, will get 985, then minus 746x plus negative 16232x, okay. So here we will get 2378x, 78x. When you take this plus this one, you get this one, okay. Then x is equal to square root of 2 minus 1, okay. Then we're going to replace the value of x. So here we have x, now here we have square root of 2 minus 1 powered by 10, which is equal to 985 minus 2378 times square root of 2 minus 1, okay. So then, so at this point, here we got square root of 2 negative 1 powered by 10, which is equal to 985 minus 378 times square root of 2 minus 1, okay. So here we will have square root of 2 minus 1 powered by 10, which is equal to 985 minus this one times this one, it will be 2378 square root of 2, then minus times minus, it's positive, then this number times 1, it is this number. 2378 times 1, we get positive 2378. Okay, so we're going to sum up this number and this one. Okay, so square root of 2 minus 1 powered by 10, it will be equal to 3, 3, 6, 3 minus, so this one comes from this plus this one. Okay, then minus 2, 3, 7, 8 times square root of 2. So this is the final answer on this problem. So see you next.